Ever look in the mirror and think, I could do better than this? If so, you're not alone. We all have those moments of self-doubt, but what if I told you there's a way to turn those fleeting moments into a powerful catalyst for change? Welcome to the concept of glowing up. This is not just about changing your hairstyle or updating your wardrobe. No, it's so much more than that. A true glow-up involves a holistic transformation, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional aspects. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, both inside and out. It's about recognizing your potential and striving to reach it. It's about challenging the common misconception that a glow-up is only about external appearance. It's about making a commitment to self-improvement and embracing the journey that comes with it. Ready to embark on your glow-up journey? Stick around, this is going to be enlightening. The first step to any transformation starts within the mind. See, the journey to glowing up is not just about the physical changes, it's about reshaping your mindset too. It's about cultivating a positive outlook, a sense of self-love, and a deep acceptance of who you are. It's a journey that begins with you saying, yes, I am ready to change. Now, this doesn't mean you need to change everything about yourself. No, it's about setting realistic and achievable goals for your transformation. Do you want to improve your fitness? Eat healthier, be more confident? Whatever your goals, set them with intention. And remember, perseverance is key. There will be days when progress seems slow, even non-existent. But don't be disheartened. Keep pushing, keep striving, because every step you take, no matter how small it seems, brings you closer to your glow up. Remember, the glow up begins in your mind. It's all about embracing and loving yourself. Now let's move to the physical aspect of your glow up. Physical fitness is not just about looking good. It's a key part of a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise can do wonders for your body and mind. It improves your mood, boosts your energy, and of course, sculpts your physique. You don't need a fancy gym membership to get started. Simple exercises like push-ups, sit-ups, and lunges can be done at home. Or if you prefer the outdoors, a brisk walk or jog around your neighborhood can get your heart pumping. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Not only will you start to see a change in your body, but you'll also notice a change in your mood. Physical fitness is a journey, not a destination. So, embrace the process and enjoy the benefits along the way. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel to function at its peak and look its best. That's where nutrition and hydration come into play. A balanced diet is crucial. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that give your skin a natural glow, keep your hair healthy, and boost your overall well-being. Don't forget about hydration. Water is your best friend. It flushes out toxins, aids in digestion, and keeps your skin looking fresh and radiant. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Healthy eating and staying hydrated are key components of your glow-up journey. Taking care of your skin and grooming yourself can significantly enhance your appearance. Let's break it down. Skincare isn't just for the ladies, gentlemen. It's a critical component of your glow-up journey. We're talking about 3 simple steps here: cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. Starting with cleansing, it's all about washing away the dirt and grime from the day. You don't want those pesky particles clogging up your pores, do you? Next, we have exfoliating. This is your secret weapon against dull, tired-looking skin. By scrubbing away dead skin cells, you reveal a brighter, fresher complexion underneath. This should be done 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Finally, moisturizing. This step ensures your skin stays hydrated and healthy, helping to prevent wrinkles and dryness. And yes, even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. Moving on to grooming. Regular haircuts and beard maintenance can alter your appearance drastically. It's all about finding a style that suits you and sticking to it. Don't forget about the little details like keeping your nails clean and trimmed and maintaining those eyebrows. As for products, look for ones specifically designed for men's skin. They're out there and they're worth the investment. Trust me, your skin will thank you. And remember, a consistent skincare routine and regular grooming can make a world of difference. It's all about the details. Last but not least, let's talk about the glow that comes from within. Confidence and personality, my friends, are the most potent ingredients of an authentic glow-up. It's not just about how you look on the outside, but also about how you feel on the inside. Confidence is attractive. It's that magnetic force that draws people towards you. It's an aura that emanates from within you, making you stand out in a crowd. Next, let's touch on personality. Personality is your individuality. It's what sets you apart from everyone else. Embrace your quirks, your passions, your values. They make you, you. Improve your social skills. Engage in conversation, listen attentively, show empathy. These are the building blocks of a charismatic personality. Remember, everyone has their unique charm. You don't need to be someone else to glow up. Your glow up should be a reflection of your true self, not a copy of someone else's image. The ultimate glow up is when you radiate confidence and positivity. Remember, you are unique, and that's your superpower. So are you ready for your glow up journey? Let's recap. It all starts with a positive mindset, then comes physical fitness, good nutrition, hydration, skincare, and grooming. The final touch is confidence and personality. Start today and celebrate every small victory along the way. Embrace the journey, celebrate small victories, and remember, the glow up is all about becoming the best version of yourself. You've got this.